That was stressful. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is so nerve-wracking. It is seriously testing my skills and my anxiety at the same time. I did this kind of video before. It was under 5 minutes and you guys really seem to like that video, so I am gonna do this video right here. It is a timed 10-minute holiday makeup look and I just wanna cry. Like, I wanted to faint on camera. Like, I did not leave anything out. It's a literal 10-minute, no editing, full video. I had to put the makeup down at the 10-minute mark, so there's no cheating in this video. I think this is a great way for you guys to pick up some hacks and some tricks when you are cut on time and you need to get glam like right now. I've been in that situation where you are getting off of work and you have a holiday party. If you want to see how I achieved this in 10 minutes, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad fam. And without further ado, let's get on to this crazy video. I can't believe I'm gonna do this to myself again, but we're gonna test my skills today. My skills? What is that? I can't even talk. I'm so nervous about this video. I have so much anxiety. Once again, I'm torturing myself with this timed video. Whew. Okay, we are gonna do a glam makeup look in 10 minutes and we are timing ourselves and I am nervous. All right, you guys, I already did my brows. My brows are kind of like done-ish. My brows would literally take me the entire video to do, so I don't want to do my brows on camera. So in case you guys are here and you're like, you've never seen my channel before, you've never heard any tips from me, I just want to let you guys know that if you're in a hurry and you want to cut down your time for doing brows, I would throw a pencil like this with a spoolie in your bag, just in case you don't have time for brows or you don't get to finish them. If you go outside your house looking crazy without brows or half done brows, you're gonna look crazy in general. So put your brow pencil in your bag. Okay, so I'm gonna put my timer on 10 minutes. I'm so freaking nervous and anxious. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. This is really hard to time yourself just because it's a consistent, intense anxiety. Oh, on your mark, get set. We're gonna do 10 minutes, go. Okay, 10 minutes. Now, I already prime the face. Prime the face with something that's easy. This is a priming spray from Urban Decay. I'm gonna do my face really quick. I'm putting on some moisturizer. This is a hydrating one because my skin is extremely intensely dry, so I just want something that's gonna really hydrate my skin. Hence the setting spray. Actually, the setting spray actually really helps. Okay, no talking. Setting, evening the face out. We have 9. I can't take long on this. Cannot take long. I'm just gonna prime my eyes with foundation. Down the neck. Concealer. Oh my gosh. Wait, no. I'm gonna do my eyes first. So I'm gonna set like one color on my eye. That's gonna be like the glam eye. So I'm gonna do a bittersweet. I'm gonna take bittersweet and pop it all over the lid. Ooh, the pigment. All over the lid. On both sides, obviously. All right, now I'm gonna do this on the lower lash line. And blend everything out with Soft and Sweet from the Berries and Cream palette. Blend, blend, blend. How much time do we have? We have 8 minutes. Oh my goodness. Oh, I lost some of the color. Blend it out. Okay, I'm gonna do like a super quick wing. And how much time we have? 7 minutes. I'm not gonna even go all the way, actually, oh my god. Okay, actually I'm gonna go all the way in. The more talking I do, the less I'm gonna get done. So I'm not gonna talk, you guys. Do you see my hands shaking? Lashes. So I have lashes right here, and I am going to add my lash glue while that is setting on my lashes. Oh my god, I want to cry. While that's setting on my lashes, this is really stressful. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna put concealer on. Concealer is right here. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Why am I dabbing my concealer on? Okay. In the middle, on the nose, on the chin, all everywhere. Concealer. Eyelashes should be done like right as soon as I'm done with this. And actually, just in case we don't get to set this, I'm gonna just set it really quick. I have my setting powder, and we're gonna set the under eyes. Oh my gosh. This is like not even fun stressful. This is like extremely unfun stressful. Because then if I mess up, that's it. I ruined the entire thing. Okay. Lashes. Lashes should be done, or tacky. So I'm gonna put them on carefully. Even when you're in a rush, like you should not rush your lashes, because that's just gonna add 30 minutes to that if you rush. And it's not a glam look without lashes in a wing. So don't rush it. Okay, bronzer. Where's the bronzer? Okay, here's the bronzer. Right here, we are gonna bronze the face. If you don't have time to contour, you need to at least bronze and sculpt somehow. And I think this is like a really nice color to do that. I'm gonna go around the face to add some warmth back into my face. And now I'm gonna put a lip color on. Chose this color. 3 minutes. Oh my god. We are almost there. We need to highlight. Where's our highlight? Where is my freaking highlight? This is so stressful. Did I lose my highlight? What the heck happened to my highlight? We're using, oh my god, it's right in front of my face. I'm just gonna do a little bit of highlighting on the nose. It's gonna help because we didn't really contour our nose. Oh my gosh, this is pink. And why is there hair everywhere? We need to put our mascara on because then how many minutes do we have? 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Make sure our lashes mesh with each other. Make them friends. I don't care if I'm making the ugliest face ever. I just want to get this done in time. My hand is shaking like crazy, and I think my eyelash is falling off, or it's coming off. I think I made it. It's 2 minutes. I can, what can I do? I can contour. I can contour my nose. Oh my god, if I had it in front of me, that would have saved so much freaking time, but I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit. Contoured the nose. I feel like we're missing a step, but, or maybe even fix the eyeliner. Where's the eyeliner? One. Oh my gosh, let's fix this eyeliner. Oh my god, we might have made the eyeliner worse. Oh. When in doubt, we have 1 minute. We're just gonna make it really a thick liner. Okay, that is not bad except for this one. Okay, it's a bold wing. We're just going for it today. 22 seconds. I think we're good. I don't even want to... 22 seconds, what can I do? Go back in here. I can't believe we did this. I have 12 seconds left. I could like do this right here. We could have even added an eyeliner, but I have no more time left. Oh my god. Ugh. That was so freaking stressful. That was really bad stress. I think you could physically see me just like shaking. This wing is not bad though. The lashes probably need some help, but I mean, all you gotta do is, if you're in a rush, just get in the car, squeeze these two little, mesh the lashes together. You already have your brows in your bag. Fix those up in the car. I don't want to fix anything because I don't want to cheat. But that's pretty much it. What do you guys think? Thank you guys for watching. I'm so happy that's over. I felt like I wanted to cry at one point. This was nerve-wracking. Like, this eyeliner right here, I'm kind of proud of because, you know. Whew. All right, so let me know how you think I did on this look. I think I don't take anxiety medicine, but I think I should now. I mean, or I need to go meditate or something after this video. My heart is literally racing. Seriously, after this video. Like, I'm not trying to like be extra. Like, my heart is literally racing. Anyways, you guys, let me know how you think I did, and make sure to thumbs up this video if you liked it. If you didn't, thumbs it up anyways. And if you missed these two videos over to the side, make sure to check them out. They are waiting for you to watch. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for hanging out with me for 10 minutes of your life. Probably a little more because, you know, there's the intro, there's outro, there might be some bloopers, I don't know. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Usually I end with something that you guys can carry on with you. Honestly, like, if you have anxiety like me, my message of the day is do not do this at home. Don't do it at home. I'll have a better message for you in the next video. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, dollies.